A shoe. I found a shoe. Oh, it's moving. It's a lady. Hello. How you doing?
Good.
I'm scared. Hey guys.
Hi.
As you can probably tell, we're either weird, filming in the dark with a bunch of candles and a ghetto LED flashlight, or we're actually out of power. Yeah, you guessed it, we're the weird ones. No, there's a big storm that just passed through Texas, and yeah, our power's out. It kind of sucks because we were in the middle of filming the vlog for tomorrow. So I just said, hey, the show must go on. Let's just film something. We gotta give you guys something to watch.
Yeah.
So Katy area, Cypress, Memorial, Southwest area, Sugarland. I know you guys feel our pain. It sucks being in the dark. I'm actually considering driving around and seeing what's going on. So let's go for a ride.
I'm gonna stand near a candle. Can you see me, babe? It's a little inconvenient not having the lights or just electricity. And then AC. I need AC. I know women out there can understand me how we need AC. If not, it's like we get cranky. Guys, Jay is being paranoid. Putting Mason's crate, table, chairs. So people don't go get in. And then our son is just following us. You coming with us, Mace?
Those lights, they're back to lights.
Come back up. Yeah, guys. It's dark. Except for over there.
Looks like all the lights are over here. Let's turn back that way.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like basically the storm.
So we stopped at the nearest HEB. There's plenty of light and it feels safer. My number one priority as a husband is to keep my family safe. And luckily, you know me, I installed a DVD player in my truck. So we're just gonna watch a movie and kind of make it like a drive-in, you know, old school style. Enjoy a little bit of snacks and a movie, and then we'll drive back and see if the lights are on. Hopefully they're on by the time we finish the movie. So as you can tell, big old smile on my face. I can see you guys again, and y'all can see me. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to have the power back on. It's super late though.
You don't know how much you need the light until it's gone.
It's like they say, you don't know what you have until it's gone. We'll post this video as an explanation of why we couldn't upload what we really wanted to upload. And then, who knows, maybe Monday we'll post what we wanted to post on Sunday. So y'all keep watching, stay tuned, and again, our apologies. Mother Nature, you know, she slapped us today, so my booty hurts. Mother Nature, she can be a real...
In the booty.
In my booty. That's big booty. So,
thank you guys for just watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button.
this is Mr. J.
And this is Miss Ruth.
And we're a little tired. But we will see you guys in la otra.
Bye.